Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you've seen the title for this video and the thumbnail, you know we're talking about the Mini. Unfortunately, a couple months back, the Mini got hit while it was parked on the side of the street, and it dented the hood and the bumper, cracked the headlight and all that. It's crazy because I took it to the body shop to get it estimated, and they said that if I had the money, this thing is not gonna get fixed until December. So it's been like 3 months and I've been driving around with the busted up Mini, but let me walk around, show you the damage, and we're gonna do a little video on getting this thing repaired. So the damage happened on the driver's side, and it was parked on the side of the street. It was dark and somebody backed out and bumped right into this area right here. What a crucial spot for this to be damaged, because there's a lot of components around this area. You've got the headlight, you've got the wheel arch, you've got the front bumper, the inner fender liner under there. Fortunately, this needs replacing. Actually got both headlights replaced in 2019, so that one's still pretty good. So when I get this new one, it won't be too far off visually, because the xenons over time, they will start to colorize the interior of the light, and you really can't do anything to clean it. You just got to get a new one over time. So, but the good news is that one looks good, that one looks good. So if I get a brand new one, it'll still be visually the same. The front bumper also got hit. Now we're going to the body shop Monday, and what I'm gonna do is try and video as much as I can, getting the repairs done, and then all the aftermath, because once this thing gets repaired and new with new paint and all this stuff, I'm gonna totally have this car detailed, and then I'm gonna get PPF all over the front to protect the bumper and the hood. I mean, if you get a freshly painted hood and all that stuff, you got to protect it, because I mean, look at this. This is a rock chip. Look at all these rock chips here and there. So once we get this painted, let's protect it. But anyway, that's it on the Mini. As of right now, we're gonna take it to the body shop, as I said, Monday, and we'll go from there. All right, today's the day. It's Monday. We're taking the car to get repaired. Let's just go over again real quick, now that I've got a little bit better lighting of what is going to get repaired and what the damage was. So if you look down here, this is a little bit better view. I remember last time I was in the garage, it was kind of hard to see, but yeah, there's the damage. Busted headlight. Fender's messed up, and then I did that myself. But yeah, so here's the kind of mock repair job I did just to get by until 3 months, till my appointment in 3 months. So anyway, that's the car. Hopefully we're gonna get it all in shape by maybe Friday. I don't know. We're gonna find out how long it's gonna take, and we will go from there. But let's head to the body shop. All right, we're pulling up to the body shop. We're gonna drop this car off. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna get all the information. Hopefully this thing will get fixed this week. But here we are. Let's pull in, go in, and get the deets. All right, well, the car is dropped off. Thinking it's gonna be about 2 weeks with the short weeks of Christmas and New Year's, but I talked to the guy and everything's under control. We got all the parts, got the factory aero bumper, the headlight, the hood, all the trims and fixings. The only thing he may have to order is the Mini emblem, which if he can't save, he'll just order it from the dealership. So I feel a lot more comfortable now, because the factory aero bumper is kind of hard to find, but they were able to find it and they got everything. So I'm so excited to see it repaired, and can't wait to get on the next phase after it gets repaired. PPF, detailing, and all the fun stuff. So I guess the next time you see the car and I see the car will be in about 2 weeks. So let's just flash forward to 2 weeks later. Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a little update. I just got a call from the body shop. It's January 13th. There is a slight issue with the bumper, which is what I was most worried about. It looks like there was a part confusion. BMW sent a bumper to them. They painted it. They went to put it back on. It's not lining up, or it's not the right bumper. And the thing I was worried about is because I have the now discontinued JCW front aero bumper, and I'm just not sure what's going on up there. So I'm gonna have to go up there Monday to figure out what the issue is and see how to resolve it. As you see now, I am currently looking at bumpers and trying to find something online, but I'm just not coming up with anything. Do I go, I mean, there are bumpers here, but it's just, I mean, here's a yellow one, and look, there's all the bumpers I'm finding have little scratches or completely cracked, and I'm not gonna pay $8.99 for a bumper that's kind of messed up already. Or if it's not the right bumper, do I go aftermarket? I mean, I'm so worried about going aftermarket because I've just heard so many stories about it, always go OEM. But here's the thing: this bumper's discontinued, and these bumpers are hard to find. So it looks like these aftermarket companies are making these aero bumpers, and the pros to this is it's brand new, no scratches, nothing on it, good price, $325, but it's not OEM. Will there be issues when they try to put it back on? Is it going to require more work, more sanding, more buffing, more molding? It's just I just don't know what to do. But anyway, I just wanted to let everyone know the update on the Mini. I'll know more Monday. But let's hope and pray that whatever they got up there, it's not as bad as what I'm imagining. So we'll know more Monday. Yeah, there's the original.
Well,
or
see, that's the issue right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I understand. Look, it's really not the right one because see, look, these.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, it's well. So, but he's saying this is all they offer. You have to change the whole thing out, kit and all. Now, and what they're wanting to sell him, in addition, is the bottom part, the spoilers coming around, and everything like this. And I've got a picture of it on my screen.
Yeah.
Now we can do one of two things, or we can do several things.
Yeah.
And I really hate to sort of put this on you, but we've had a lot of movement here at the shop, and we're about this short-handed here.
Yeah, I understand.
And if you want to call, I can give you the boy to talk to out at Roadshow and let you and him decide what you're going to do, or you can get on the internet if you can find something and get it.
Well, yeah.
And then we can paint it. But what really killed my soul is we worked our tails off, man, dialing this color in.
Right.
And
now on that, on the aftermarkets, the side markers don't have it, so it would be a delete.
Okay.
So whatever's running to the side marker, because there's a light in there.
So it's just, well, it
lights
is
this up.
If it comes in, we may be able to cut that hole, possibly. I don't know. It'd be nice if we didn't even have to try, but
yeah, it would just be like the only thing. Yeah, see, they've got them on the back. It would just be a cosmetic thing. That's the only thing about the aftermarket.
Well,
I mean, and that's
I
really.
Think it's your it may be your turn signal as well. I don't know. I'd have to look at it.
I think it's just a parking light, like a marker light, like when you turn on your parking lights. It's just an accent light.
Just lights up.
But yeah, I mean, you always want to try to go OEM, but in this situation, they don't make these OEM parts anymore. Mm-hmm. So what's the next? So I'll probably look and And
well, you let me know, and you're at the top of the
well,
list. You give me something, I'll paint it.
Yeah, I'll probably go ahead and get. Yeah, I don't want to mess with that. I'll go ahead and order the bumper and then just have it shipped here, I guess, with your name on it. Or do you got like a contact or anything? We'll go ahead and get that squared away. I'll pick up the fasteners too, just in case.
You know who it goes to when it comes in?
Well, yeah, if it comes into me, I will. I ain't got a lot. I don't have a lot of these around. I have a few Mini Coopers, but I don't have this situation. I can get your card inside.
I couldn't figure out what this was. At first, I thought they sent you a completely.
Just say we have the headlight here.
Yeah, the headlights here, and yeah, there's the old.
Light. I guess that looked like.
Here's the old hood.
Yeah.
Now this is this is what needs to this needs to come off too.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll change all that out.
And then that emblem.
That's the reason we still have it.
Yeah.
Change it.
Yeah,
over.
for sure. All right, so I'm gonna order the bumper today and those fasteners, and
okay.
And hopefully, I mean, with aftermarket, hopefully there won't be any type of working.
It may not fit perfect, but we will try to make it fit as well as it can.
Yeah.
Nobody will know but us.
Yeah, for sure.
The three of us, and I'm not telling anybody.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, here's the hood. Hood looks good.
And,
man, there's that factory arrow bumper that they don't make anymore. Totally unusable. This is what BMW sent. It looks just like a cap, but everything else looks pretty good. Hood looks good.
Yeah, it seemed like it was.
And they're gonna take the stuff off that and put it on this. We'll get the headlight in. We'll get the fasteners on, and then the only thing that I'm not worried about is these marker lights. The aftermarket kit does not come with this cutout, so and honestly I'm a little worried about them cutting it, so it may have to be a delete. And if we get a delete, I may have to black out the marker lights or just disconnect them or something, so make it a little bit more even and a little bit more sleeker. But anyway, that's the update on the Mini Cooper. We're gonna order a aftermarket bumper, get everything in, and hopefully we can get this back in maybe a week or two. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, welcome back to the next installment of getting this Mini fixed. Today is finally the day. The car is ready. I'm gonna go pick it up in about an hour. They're gonna wash it off. We had to do a little bit of extra work on the back bumper because the front bumper that I got does not have the parking lights on the side. It's more the Euro style bumper, and I wanted to have a delete on the back bumper, so I got them to spray the reflectors on the back bumper black to match the bottom trim. So hopefully that hides it, masks it, and we're about to go check it out. But oh my gosh, I dropped it off December 19th. It's now February 9th. It's just crazy how long it takes to get these cars fixed now. So anyway, we're about to go pick it up. I can't wait to see it. All right, here's the car. Hood looks great. Headlights look great. Bumper looks awesome. There's a little bit of an adjustment that needs to be done right there. Let's go around to the back. Yeah, they spray painted the reflector right there. I think that looks great. You can't even really tell. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna take this and get it detailed, you know, so maybe that bumper can really pop. Overall, looks good. New fender well, new headlight, new hood, new bumper. Looks really good.
I felt like we could play like
oh yeah.
Don't pull too hard on.
Oh, I'm not. I'm just
slip up in on a.
Yeah.
I'm not. I did it the other day, and I literally pushed it back off. It slides up on a.
Yeah.
It's just got 3 prongs, and it just slides up, and you could push it back.
Yeah, I was just seeing, because when I looked at it earlier, you could, I think because it was off a little bit, this thing was so, it was just flopping around, and but now there's a little bit of pressure, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. I just wanted to
Looks good.
take a look at it.
I thought we had all along.
Yeah, that gap. Yeah, there's... Dang. Yeah, I guess that's as good as it's gonna get. That's weird. You can still...
You can do it one of two ways.
Yeah, I mean, so you can still see the...
Yeah, that's about as wise. I mean, that's about as close as you're gonna get it. If you push around on it, you can. But if you bring it back any...
I've never seen it like that before. This is OEM hood too. That's...
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen that. Okay.
And here's the other issue. You think you got a lot of room to bring it back here, but your gap's not as big up here. You try to square it off. So you got an even crack. Like you got an even crack going back, and if you bring it back, you're going to be back too far against this panel.
Yeah.
I looked at it. I actually got back there.
Split the difference.
Yeah.
All right, we'll go inside and get
I'll
it.
get fixed up.
Looks good.
Yeah.
All right, go take it home and
Busted. All right, we're gonna go in and get this settled. Well, I'm back in the Mini, and I can't believe I'm sitting in this car after being without it for about 2 months. The body shop had to adjust some of the hood. There was some gaps, and they did an okay job. They got it better looking. The front bumper looks better. The hood, there's still some gaps on the passenger side, and you know, I might just have to take it to Roadshow and have them sort of mess with the hood. This is an OEM hood, so I'm not sure why there's gaps, you know, but I'm gonna be very gingerly with it because I haven't driven this car in 2 months, and man, the next time you see this car and see me doing a video will be detailing and PPF. So thanks so much for watching. If you like the video and you like my content, please help me get to 800 subscribers, I believe. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.